Hello and welcome to my loft, and today is going to be the last time I do a video on the top level for a couple of months, simply because exciting times. I'm going to put in a new line. A quick look where the new line is going. These mock Elizabethan houses are going to be demolished. The far rear siding is going to be turned into one of the tracks, so this road will actually still remain here. Plenty of track laying on this corner, because the 5 lines could be turned into 6 lines. Just following the evening star, and this bridge section here is going to be widened, and the poor people in the houses even more trains to keep them awake at night. This grass here is going to be dug up and the new sidings will be going in there. Quite a large marshalling yard perhaps. The stations will stay as they are, as I think they're pretty good at the moment. On the right, I'm going to expand the board sidewards and even have a turntable in my marshalling yard. No longer do young children come up to play, and so I can take up more space for my railway. Originally, this loft was set up for children to play in, and somehow over the years the trains took over. You can just see the love of long trains I have. These sidings here, one of the sidings can be converted into a new track. But the new sidings I will be creating will be more than adequate to take this stock. Plenty of building work at this corner, and sadly removal of these houses. Since I'm only working part-time now, this will give me more time to play and build with my trades rather than working. The camera here is actually perched on the boiler, and it's a nice view down on my little town. I do like trackside views. It looks like the real thing, as if we were really there. There will be one more line and removal of the telegraph poles. My last camera view of where the sheep are, as they will be removed. The station building will be removed. My little wood is going to be chopped down and sidings and a marshal yard put in. This is my point being laid down just where the going to be laid down in a few months' time. Exciting times. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you another time. Bye.